Well, it's a really nice sunny day today, and it's going to get up into high 50s as well. So today is a really good day to be going around the garden and getting as many jobs done as we can. Even if it's only just tidying things up or getting things ready. Because in this part of the UK, today is going to be followed by about 8 to 10 days of rain. So the more we can get done outside today, the better. And one thing that I definitely need to do is move these containers. They're all full of potatoes, but I don't want them in this area, so it just makes it a pain to cut grass. So we'll move some of these down to that container garden. And I'll take a couple of these tubs down as well. More onions, more potatoes. Well, that's all then moved. And now we're going to have to cut grass. Keep those dandelions down. I've also stuck a couple of brackets on shed. At least that way I can keep that hose pipe out of the way while I'm doing stuff. And we've got a few more things moved into that container garden now, including them potatoes. And this raspberry bush is on its way back now. And so is that gooseberry bush. Lots of new growth on that so far. Now I've got everything a quick water before it gets too warm. I'll go and get this grass cut. And then we'll give this bit a bit of water and all. Since that dwarf pear tree's in full bloom now. And of course this can go straight in that compost bin. We'll be doing something with that soon enough, but at the moment it's all about cleaning up. I've also given that a bit of a tidy and cut grass as well. I think I'll use this in that container garden as well. Made it a couple of years ago after an old step ladder. Put these little boxes in it that we can fill with compost, and then we can put some shallow rooted plants in there, so I might fill that with little gem lettuce and salad leaf. I was just giving these cauliflowers quick water and then I spotted something. We've got the start of a cauliflower and it's not split, it looks really compact. So what I'll do is I'll get a peg and I'll pin these leaves together and that'll protect it. Well, everything's looking a bit better than it were, although we are going to have to get strimmer out for around those edges. But we've got that grass down, got rid of loads of those annoying dandelions. So all we need to do now is think at next job. Since it's such a nice day, why waste it? While I'm getting a few jobs done today, we've got some nice sized sweet pea plants. And I cleared an area down the other end of the garden. And we've got netting up already from last year for these to grow up. So, while we're getting jobs done today, we might as well put some of these in as well, because it won't take long. So that's that area that we've cleared. So all I have to do is pop these plants in. And we had them here last year as well. And just there's one that started coming through decking. So that shows how hardy these plants are. What I'll do is I'll just pop out the biggest ones that we've got. There's 2 or 3 plants together in that clump, and they've got some nice roots, so I'm just untangling those and then we'll get them popped in. So I'll just make a nice sized hole with that dibber. We can drop these straight in. And we'll look same again with all of them as we go. And I'm just going to space them about 3 inches apart. And they'll cling onto that netting as they grow and work their way right to the top. Just a couple more and we're done. So another quick, easy job done. When that all climbs right to the top of that fence and comes into flower, it's going to be well worth effort. Well, that's a bit more done for today. Everything's looking a lot tidier now. And maybe tomorrow that rain will hold off long enough for us to get these French beans in. Cobra, full size ones. We've still got to make that wigwam out of some canes first. So if we don't get that done today, we'll get that done tomorrow. So we've got loads more jobs to do over the next few weeks. Getting everything prepped and ready and getting those plants in. And if you're interested in following progress of that, please hit that subscribe button and press that notifications bell. And we'll see you next time. Take care.